Dear students, we have already discussed sum of first n terms of an AP. To find the sum of first n terms of an AP, we have already developed a formula to obtain the sum. The formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to obtain the sum of first n terms of an AP. And based on this formula, we have already discussed some questions. Today we are going to discuss one more important question based on this formula. And what is the question? The question is like this. You will be given one AP, means a list of numbers will be given to you, and how many terms of this AP will be added to get the required sum. Means a AP will be given and a sum will be given, and you will be asked to find how many terms must be added to get the required sum. So I take one question. The question is like this: how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 must be taken so that their sum is 78. Answer means you are given one AP and a sum is given, and a question says that 24 plus 21 plus 18 plus up to how much is equal to 78. Means you are asked to find what is the value of n. So given AP is 24, 21, 18 like this. As a list of number given, then you can get a value. Here a is the first term, this is your a value 24. D, how to get it? 21 minus 24, that is equal to minus 3. And you are asked to find how many terms of this AP, must be added up to get the sum 78. So that's why we have to consider, let n terms are taken to obtain sum 78. So this statement, how can we write in mathematically? So Sn is equal to 78. Clear now? And what is the formula for Sn? Now n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 78. So n by 2 into this a. What is a? Now a is 24. That you write here 24 plus n minus 1 into this d. D means you have already calculated minus 3. So minus 3 negative, that's why put in the bracket, that is 78. So this implies n by 2 into 24, how much? Now 48 plus, now n minus 1 will be multiplied with minus 3. Minus 3n plus 3 that is equal to 78. So this implies n by 2. Now open this bracket. This bracket will be open, means 48 minus 3n plus 3, that is equal to 78. So now what we have to do, n by 2, 48, and this plus 3 right here, plus 3 minus 3n, that is equal to 78. So next, n by 2, 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n equals to 78. But here there is no common factor 2, so that's you cannot cancel these 2. So n will be multiplied with whom? Now 51 minus 3n by 2, that is equal to 78. Now multiply n into 51. How much? 51n minus 3n square, and these 2 will be crossed here, 78 into 2. So this implies 51n minus 3n square, that is equal to 156. So 51n minus 3n square minus 156 equals to 0. Then you arrange the terms. This is a quadratic equation. So you arrange according to the standard form, minus 3n square plus 51n minus 156 equals 0. But here is a negative is there. So you multiply minus. That becomes 3n square minus 51n plus 156 equals to 0. So this now this becomes a quadratic equation as in the standard form. So to get the value of n, you have a quadratic formula. So n is equal to minus b plus minus square root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is equal to b, means this minus 51 is b. This is the value of b. So it becomes minus of minus 51 plus minus square root of minus 51 square minus 4 into 3 into 156 divided by 2 into this a, means this 3. So now it becomes minus of minus 51 becomes 51 plus minus square root of, means 51 को हमें 2 थर गुण दबा 51 square, 51 into 51, 51 5 25. So that becomes how much? 1062 2601 minus 4 3 ja 12. Now will be multiplied 56 with 12. 6 दूने 12 दूर can like us 112, then 56. That means 276. 672 by 6. Now 51 plus minus square root. Now 672 will be subtracted. 11 minus 2 9, 9 minus 7 2. That becomes this is 5 is 11 minus 2 9, 9 minus 7 2. This is 9, this is 1. 1929 by how much? 6. Sorry, I did wrong here. Actually this is wrong. I made it. Once again, that is a minus of a minus 51, that is equal to how much? 51 plus minus 51 square you have multiplied. This is 2601 minus 4 3 is 12, and that is 156. 156 रे 12 multiply होगा, हमें wrongly multiply कर देते हैं 56. That will be 2 11 3 156 2 7 8 1 1872 by 6. So that becomes 51 plus minus, now that will be 2601 minus 1872, 11 minus 2 9, minus 2, that is 729 by 6. So this becomes 51 plus minus 729. 729 means then get the square root of 729. Then from write this दिदुने 4 7 4 गले 3 दिए 2 आसी मिसी भला कते 4 that is 29. Then you multiply 7 7 9 40 such that is 7. Then answer will be 7 27, the square root of 7 by 6. So that becomes how much? 51 plus 27 by 6, that will be 8. 78 by 6, that is equal to 13. Or n equals to 51 minus 27 by 6, that will be 24 by 6, that is equal to 4. So required number of terms. So required number of terms taken is 13 or 4. तामाने 13टा टर्म नेले सम 78 हबो ना 4टा टर्म नेले हमर 78 हबो. आउ गोटे क्वेश्चन अछि. आउ गोटे क्वेश्चन हमें नबा ताको सॉल्व करिबा. that is the question is the question is okay, how many, the same question, how many terms of the AP 19 9 17 25 must be taken to give a sum 636. How to solve it? Answer. Here the same thing, given AP is 9 17 25. Clear? Here A how much? 9. D 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. Let n terms taken to obtain a sum 636. This statement can be written so, that is rewritten as Sn equals 636. What is the formula of Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 636. This implies n by 2 into this a. A means already you have found a value 9, that you write a 9. N minus 1 into d, you have already got 8, that is equal to 636. So this implies n by 2 into 18 plus, now 8 you multiply, 8n minus 8, that is equal to 636. N by 2 into 18, to add 18 with this, we have to open this bracket, plus 8n minus 8 equals to 636. So n by 2 into 18 minus 8 plus 8n equals 636. N by 2 into 18 minus 18 is 10 plus 8n, you have 636. Here you see the, in these two terms, 2 is a common factor, so it is easy to cancel. N by 2, take 2 common, 5 plus 4n, that is equal to 636. 2 to cancel, what is left? N into 5 plus 4n, that is equal to 636. Now multiply n into 5n, then n into 4n square, this 600 make it. Now this becomes a quadratic equation, but it is not in the standard form. So make it standard form. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. So now this becomes a quadratic equation as per the standard form. So this is called the value of A, this is called the value of B, and this is called the value of C. So formula n, formula, because your variable is n, so n we have to take. So formula is minus b plus minus square root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is equal to minus b is positive 5 plus minus square root of 5 the square minus 4 into a means this 4 into c means this minus 636. So 36 by 2 into a means 2 into 4. So that is equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of that becomes 25 plus this minus plus 4 4 just 16. Now 636 रे 16 multiply करिबा. So what the answer will come? So 6 is 36, 6 3 18, 21, 1 2, then 6 is 36 2 38. Now 636. So now 6 7 10176 by 8. So that becomes minus 5 plus minus square root of, now add 25 here. That means 10201 by how much? 8. Now this is a big number, so it is better to find its square root by which method? Now by division method. Which method? Now by division method. So now you find the square root of 10201. So now give 1 1. So 1 cancel. This 1 will be added here. This is 2. Now 0 to 1 pair will be 2. So now here put 0 0 0. So 2 0 will be added here. This will be 20. Now upon 0 bring a 0 1 here 1 give 1. So what is the square root? Now 101. So now the answer will be minus 5 plus minus 101 by 8. So that answer will be minus 5 plus 101 by 8. 1 will come. That will be equal to how much? 96 by 8. That will be 12. Or n equals to minus 5 minus 101 by 8. That will be minus 106 by 8. Not possible because n is negative. So n equals to only 12. So therefore number of terms taken is 12. Clear? Thank you.